Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover your Threads account. So recovering a Threads account is done by simply recovering the linked Instagram account. So if it means that you have lost your password to your Threads, it simply means you lost your password to your Instagram. All you need to do is simply go to any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for Instagram reset password, just like that. Now click on the first link right over here. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page. You want to simply go ahead and enter your mobile number, or you could also find it by email or your username. Simply go ahead and write your username and click on continue. Finally, once you've done that, you're going to be taken to another page where they're going to simply go ahead and find your number, click on continue, and they're going to send you a verification code to the number that is linked with your account. When you enter that back, they will let you create a new password. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.